This is John with Cruising Addicts. Today we're going to take you on a tour of an interior cabin on the cruise ship Carnival Valor. Sit back and enjoy the tour, hit that thumbs up button liking this video, and subscribe to our channel for more great cruise content. Happy sailing.
Sail away, come aboard this digital oasis. Cruise ship tours and reviews, they're taking us places. Port guides, destinations, and shore excursions too. Cruising addicts, they're the ones making our dreams come true.
Cabin 7235 on Carnival Valor, and we're sailing on Valor in January of 2025. We have the bed set up as two twins, but you can have these pushed together as a queen. This cabin only sleeps two. On both sides of the bed you have a nightstand and also a lamp. And then there's also a light switch here in the center that will control the main lights. On the opposite side, you have your television, and you have a cabinet there that has the safe inside. And this particular safe uses your room key card to lock and unlock. You have your tray with your drinking glasses, water, your telephone, your light switch for your vanity lights, and you have a 110 and a 220 volt outlet. You also have a desk area here with a chair and a footstool, and your trash can down below. You have plenty of drawers here. Your top drawer has your hair dryer. You have a couple of shallow drawers and then some deeper drawers down below for storing items. On the opposite side, you have a table you can eat on or work on, and also your mini fridge or cooler. Most of the time they're just a cooler that will keep things somewhat cold, but it's not really super cold. This one looks like it's fairly new and does feel pretty cold. You also have your cool towels, and at the entry here you're going to have your light switch to control your lights for the bathroom and also in the main part of the cabin. And then your thermostat here, and you control your temperature just by turning the dial. Another look at the cabin. You have some hooks here also, and there's your do not disturb sign. Another light. You also have some overhead lights here that are controlled by the main switch. A lot of storage space. You have three large locker style cabinets. Lots of storage space, hangers, shelves. Again, this one is a little longer. Just one shelf on the bottom. Plenty of hangers, life jackets, and a very large one on the very end here has a shelf up above and then a shelf down below. Plenty of storage space. This cabin is located deck 7 forward at the red dot there. And one reason we selected this particular cabin is because on the front of the ship there is a outdoor observation area, the very front or forward area of the ship, and we'll show that to you here in a minute. Moving to the bathroom, you have your shower with a cloth shower curtain, and they provide you with a bath mat here. This particular shower has a soap dish, and the shower here head adjusts up and down. You can actually move this up and down. This comes off, so you can use it, and get areas that you couldn't normally get otherwise. And there is an adjustment for the type of pattern. If you turn this knob, it'll change the pattern on the shower head. Carnival does provide shampoo and shower gel, and this stuff's not bad. Your controls here. This control turns it on and off. The right hand control controls the temperature. And you also have a clothesline, and it's right there. You just pull it out and it'll go all the way over in that little slot right there when you want to use it. It just retracts back when you're not. And you have your toilet. You have plenty of towel racks. You have 2 there, and you have another one there. And for 2 persons, it's more than enough. There's actually 4 full sets here. You have a makeup mirror. There is a outlet here. It's 115 volt to 30 volt that you can use for your electric razor. And then there's plenty of shelves for storing your toiletry items. And then you have the overhead light here, and of course your full width mirror, your sink and vanity. And down below you have your trash can, your tissue holder, and there's another shelf over there where you can store some items. And this is typical for all Carnival bathrooms, Carnival cabin bathrooms. So another good look at the bathroom. We hope you enjoyed this tour of cabin 7235 on Carnival Valor, and if you did, hit that thumbs up button, liking this video, subscribe to our channel for more great cruise content, and check out our website, cruisingaddicts.com. Happy sailing.